Sing Blueberry. Joella.
No! You can't get my family! No! He killed me!
What was that popping noise?
You knocked the picture down. Knock the picture down, Joella.
Where was the picture located?
Joella, is it?
There was a picture in there?
Joella?
Why? It's not broken?
It's broken 4 pieces.
Really?
Oh,
Oh
Joella.
no. That was fucking crazy. I just heard a pop, you know.
You were so scared. I thought it was a gunshot.
You thought it was a gunshot? Because I thought someone shot me. That's how bad it was.
I knew it was her, like she did
I know.
something. She came out, what was that popping?
Can you sing Sharon?
Some-
Blueberry.
No.
Do it in the bathroom. It's better on my microphone. No, close. Open.
Do you believe?
Do it.
Do you believe love the life? You feel something inside me say you really don't think you're strong in bed. No. Do you believe?
Keep going.
Yeah. No, I'm done. I don't know the words.
Really don't think you're strong.
Bye, fans.
Oh shit. Paranormal activity.
I was like, wait, what? It's me.
I'll throw you at the camera and then I'm gonna go, Mika! Like that. Shh. They're coming. They're coming. Do you hear them?
That has got to be the smallest stick I have ever seen
In my whole life.
in my whole life.
Get the fuck out of
Get
here.
the fuck out of here. No, that's all. That live was wrong. Eeny weeny, teeny weeny, shriveled little short dick
man.
Uh-uh.
You need some fucking tweezers to put that little thing away?
You need some fucking tweezers to put that little thing away?
Because that has got to be the smallest dick I have ever seen.
In my whole life.
Get the fuck.
Get the fuck out of here.
Eeny weeny, teeny weeny, shriveled little short dick man.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Eeny weeny, teeny weeny, shriveled little short dick man.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Don't want, no.
Short dick man. Boop. Ah, goodbye.
I wonder who's going to come out of this new celebrity closet now. We've already had Cher and 20 Fingers. Who's that?
That's me. My name is 20 Fingers. Because my toes count as wet. Yeah.
Do it.
What'd you say, Sarah?
That was Chris Rock,
What'd you
everybody.
say?
Do it.
You can't do it?
Cannot do what, Joella?
I can't do it?
No, I can't.
Do what? What were you trying to do?
Be the character.
Be hella characters. Hella characters. You know, in the words of Christina, a great actress I once knew, she told me you have to be who you want to be. You have to pick and choose what you want to be. You gotta...
This is never now. She's
You gotta
trying to teach.
You
You gotta take it in and take it out and put it all together. And what have you got? A big bowl of you. And you have to drink it and eat it and realize the only thing after college that there is, you have to do what you want to do. Okay? So if you think you're not better than who you are now, just think. The slaves, the Jews, the blacks, and the gays. You need to understand that you have to be who you want to be.
That was so amazing.
I deserve
I'm moved. And she's in tears. Thank you so much, Bunch Law. Thank you.